Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we have something truly special for you, a tool that promises to revolutionize the way you interact with your vehicles. I'm talking about none other than the LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite. In this video, we'll be diving deep into its features, performance, and how it can enhance your automotive experience. So, buckle up and let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's have a quick overview of the LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite. This powerful diagnostic and key programming tool is designed to offer precise and efficient solutions for immobilizer systems in a wide range of vehicles. Now, let's talk about the standout features that make the LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite a must-have for every automotive enthusiast. Key programming powerhouse. This isn't just any scan tool. The IMMO Elite is a key programming powerhouse capable of handling a vast array of tasks, from adding new keys to lost key scenarios and even ECU replacement cloning. It boasts compatibility with over 90 global car brands, making it incredibly versatile. Full system diagnostics, but it's not just about keys. The IMMO Elite doubles as a full-fledged diagnostic scanner, offering deep dives into all vehicle systems, from engine and transmission to ABS and airbags. With bidirectional control capabilities, you can test components and even activate functions for precise troubleshooting. Modern and user-friendly, gone are the days of clunky interfaces. The IMMO Elite runs on a smooth and responsive Android 10 system, making it a breeze to navigate. The 8-inch touchscreen is bright and clear, and the included software updates ensure you're always working with the latest information. Full system diagnostics will plug into a vehicle and run a diagnostic scan, demonstrating the detailed reports and live data displays that can pinpoint any trouble codes. Bidirectional control will utilize the bidirectional capabilities to activate a specific component and show how this can aid in accurate diagnosis and repair. Wide vehicle coverage. One of the most impressive aspects is its extensive vehicle coverage. Whether you own a domestic or foreign vehicle, chances are the LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite has you covered. LAUNCH IMMO Elite covers 150 plus brands and 200,000 plus models, diagnoses 1996 to 2024 American, Asian, European vehicles, even the FCA AGWW vehicles involved, with 25 plus languages. 39 plus service functions of LAUNCH X431 scanner. You will never be bothered by tricky vehicle problems. LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite automotive scanner performs well in various resets or learning or matching, including oil reset, SAS reset, BMS reset, TPMs reset, EPB reset, ABS, bleeding or windows reset, gear learning, suspension, etc., simplifying diagnostic difficulty and extending repair business for workshops. Regular updates. LAUNCH ensures that the tool stays up to date with the latest vehicle models and immobilizer systems. Regular updates mean you're always equipped with the latest technology. Here are some pros and cons about the LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite. Pros: powerful key programming capabilities, comprehensive full system diagnostics, user-friendly interface and software updates, fast and responsive Android 10 system, bidirectional control for advanced troubleshooting. Cons: high initial cost compared to basic scan tools, learning curve for beginners with key programming features, subscription required for some advanced features. And there you have it, folks, the LAUNCH X431 IMMO Elite, a game changer in the world of automotive diagnostics and key programming. If you're serious about maintaining and optimizing your vehicle's performance, this tool deserves a place in your toolkit. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Weekly Tools, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive tech reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.